Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Twitter rate limit exceeded. First, open your App Store on your mobile device. Now search here Twitter. Tap on Twitter. Here you need to update your application. Then go back and open your settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Here tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and tap on Twitter. Here tap on Offload app. Tap on the Offload app. This will fix your problem. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.